In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove password from Shopify store. When a Shopify store is password protected, visitors will see a locked page instead of your storefront. This is commonly used while you are building your site or preparing for launch. Once you are ready to let everyone browse your products and place orders, you will want to turn that password protection off. I will walk you through exactly where to find the setting and how to save the change properly. First, log into your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store, products, and settings. Make sure you are signed into the correct store if you manage more than one, because password protection is controlled per store. Next, look at the left-hand menu and go to Online Store. Under Online Store, select Preferences. This area includes several important settings related to your storefront, and it is also where Shopify keeps the password protection controls. Once you are on the Preferences page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Password Protection. Take your time here because the page can include other settings above it, and you want to be sure you are adjusting the correct option. In the Password Protection section, you will see a checkbox labeled Restrict Access to Visitors with the Password. If this box is checked, your storefront is still locked, and only people with the password can enter. To remove the password from your Shopify store, uncheck that box. This tells Shopify that you want your online store to be publicly accessible. After you uncheck the box, click Save. Saving is important because Shopify will not apply the change until you confirm it. Give it a moment to update. As a quick tip, after saving, it can help to open your storefront in a private or incognito browser window to confirm the password page is gone. This avoids confusion caused by cached sessions from being logged into the admin. That covers everything you need to know.